Hey, what's up, Cancerian? Welcome to the Awakened Vision. This is your next energy update for the next few moving forward. Whenever you fall upon the reading, it was meant for you at the time. Definitely take whatever resonates, however it fits your situation, and use the information appropriately. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I know this deck, it has animals in it. Uses animals as kind of like reference here, but we have the Mother of Swords at the bottom, and then we have Temperance. All right, so both of these images are depicting birds here, heron, and then like an owl. All right, so birds could be a friend. For the next few, a lot of you could be seeing a lot of birds around your home, around your house. Some of you could have what do you call those, like bird feeders or bird houses around your home here. So you'll start to see a lot of birds appearing from out of nowhere. I'm definitely getting something about silence. All right, so there's going to be a moment of silence, and then there's going to be like a flock of birds that just appears from out of nowhere. You're going to be dealing with that for the next few moving forward. But I'm also getting something about a lot of you might want to watch Taurus reading, the recent energy update that I did right before yours, because I was getting that someone is needing some sort of safe haven. So a lot of you, your home could be just that for individuals that are coming in, a safe haven, because a lot of people feel as though they are in danger. We have the Seven of Wands here, Five of Pentacles. They need some sort of assistance, some sort of help, and you have the ability to do so. So yeah. Let's see what else we have. We have the Death card, and we have Justice. All right, so, and then we have the Father of Pentacles. All right, so there definitely is some sort of transformation that's going on here. Death, rebirth, a cycle of, death, rebirth, okay, degeneration. And then we have the Father of Pentacles, and we have the Justice card here. All right, so there's a justified reason as to why something is happening, okay, here. So a lot of you also might be seeing a lot of dead bird carcasses around. Okay, that's also a symbol. Some of you, interesting. I'm sneezing now. But that's significant to this reading and to Taurus, because I was sneezing in their reading. Some of it could be, okay, so it could be children, it could be a child, it could be individuals that are younger than you, but they're definitely vulnerable individuals here that need your assistance in some sort of way. All right. Just like in Taurus reading, I'm getting an abusive relationship. The Hermit, yeah, you're like a safe haven for these individuals here. The Lovers, all right, so two geese. So there could be family that's coming in to visit you. All right, so on the surface, everything appears to be okay, but there's a reason why they're coming to visit you, because they feel as though you are safe. Your space is safe. Is a safe place to kind of like visit or to return to. They need that right now. All right, so be open to that. Three of Swords. All right, so we have the Two of Pentacles, and we have the Nine of Cups. Yeah, so those two wanted to come out. And then we have the Nine of Swords at the bottom. Yeah, so there is a situation that's kind of serious, and it's fragile. And so you're like the right person to aid these individuals, Daughter of Cups, Father of Cups, to aid these individuals in something. Because they're going through like a rough time right now. Ten of Pentacles, Justice. Yeah, all right, so this is kind of like service to humanity, service to your community here. For some of you, Cancerians, this is so suitable for your energy. I'm getting that your home, your house will be just that. It will be a place where individuals can come to when they feel unsafe and they need a spot to kind of like crash. And yeah, I do see something about assistance, or I do see something about a grant being provided here for that sort of space. Ace of Cups. Yeah, the Moon, Six of Cups. Yeah, again, like I said, it could be those that are around you. It could be your family members. It could be people from like your community. We have the Wheel of Fortune, and we have the Daughter of Cups. Yeah, so things are changing for you, Cancerian. So maybe this is what you want to do, Mother of Wands. This is kind of like what you want to do, provide a shelter for those that are in need right now. It could be for women and children. So there's something that's coming through about that, or working at a shelter, volunteering at a shelter, or opening up one of your own, or using your house for this reason. Yeah, Three of Cups, the Fool. What do we have for the deck, please? Wow, that came out pretty quick. Yeah, so we have the Page of Cups. All right, we have the King of Cups. Yeah, also it's like something for the gifted. All right, a school for the gifted. We have the Hierophants. Also a certain religion, Ten of Wands. What do we have for the Father? Or what else do we have here? Three of Pentacles. All right, so this could be something that this is like an idea that you have here. So there could be something about individuals who have a criminal history, or juvenile delinquents, or something like that, working with them. It seems as though you have a special gift to work with criminals, or juvenile delinquents. All right. Um, Individuals who kind of like lost their way at a young age, and actually restoring them. All right, because these are individuals that are quite gifted, and you have the energy to deal with these type of people here. All right, we have the Queen of Wands showing up again. What's the Father of Pentacles, please? Yeah, all right, so we have the Ace of Wands. All right, so it's like an idea. It could be something that, is coming through, a certain idea that you're pitching, to someone, starting a business here, to help criminals or juvenile delinquents, or individuals that lost their way. They don't feel safe. The reason why they got into something is because they didn't feel safe. And so they basically almost getting something about extended family. Okay. But it's like individuals that lost their way. Okay. Yeah, I definitely see a vision that you're having. You're having like a certain vision right here of a better life, or establishing property. All right, so there might be something that you're going into. It could be real estate, or it could be viewing property. You're viewing property, or the best location to establish something here. Page of Wands, yeah, it's coming through. But now there might be moments and times where you're kind of like thinking about how in the world are you going to make this thing happen? Okay, what kind of assistance do you need to get something up and running? What kind of knowledge you need? I'm getting Cancerian. You're ready. You are. You're ready for something. Can we get more, please? Yeah, we have the Hierophant. All right, so some of you could be dealing with a Taurus, an Earth sign here, Knight of Pentacles. All right, so this could be someone who's King of Wands. This could be someone who um, is like a realtor, and you're pitching an idea to them, what you can turn a property into, or what type of idea you have, and they um, can connect you to the right individual, okay, who has a property that fits, okay, the purpose here. Okay, what else do we have here, please? So this could be an advisor, counselor of some kind. Three of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. Yeah, so some of you are looking for property here. Queen of Cups. All right, so yeah, you're kind of like pitching an idea here. You're pitching an idea. Um, some of you are planning to design something from the ground up, build something from the ground up, and you're just really looking for a property to do this here. So some of you could be like getting into contact with an architect, an engineer of some kind, or you are working with a group here. So there's a group that you're working with. So this could be partners. So yeah, just really thinking about things. Things are coming through. All right, so we have the Seven of Wands. Yeah, so something is about protection. Four of Swords. What's this again? The Wheel of Fortune. So it's just what's prompting this even more, because I'm getting that you've always had this idea, or you've had this idea for a long time, but what's prompting this more is basically what you're seeing going on in the world right now. There are a lot of people who are kind of like fending for themselves, and these could be young individuals, but these could be individuals who once had like high hopes, Ten of Wands, dreams, Six of Swords. Yeah, it's like you just want to assist these people. Two of Swords to do something better. Yeah, so it definitely is connecting to Taurus reading here. What's the Daughter of Cups, please? It's like you want to assist humanity, so a lot is coming through. You do have Mercury in your sign, right? Yeah. The Sun card. All right. Six of Pentacles. Okay. It's like a small thing, but it's worth investing in. The King of Cups. Yeah. So it's like a small thing, but it definitely is worth investing in, is what I'm going to say. Knight of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. All right, kind of like get an idea out there. But if you do decide to, you might have to come up with a business plan. So you're working with someone here to help generate that for you, a business plan, proposition. Because you might be looking for a certain grants or a certain grant. There's also a partner that's coming in. There's someone that connects with you on this level. There is someone who connects with you on this level. They want to assist you through something here. They want to make sure that something goes your way. It could be a fellow water sign, earth sign. So this could be someone that you're running into. Yeah, we have the Nine of Swords. Because you might feel as though you can't do something alone. You won't be able to do something alone. Something's too big for you. But we do have the Four of Wands showing up at the bottom. All right, so it definitely is something about dealing with property and turning the property into something that's beneficial for you and everyone else that's around here. This is also kind of like an idea to live rent free. So coming up with an idea to live rent free. Let's see what else we have. So we have the death card, please. Yeah, the Fool. Okay. The Queen of Swords. Alright, so there could be an air sign here that's going to assist you, feminine air sign. The Empress, yeah, it could be about a certain place. Again, like I said, this could be a certain idea to kind of like get around something, and it could be paying rent. Or a mortgage or something like that. Yeah, we have the Two of Pentacles and we have the Page of Swords. Alright, yeah, so there are King of Pentacles, yeah. So that could be what's going on here, the High Priestess, Temperance. So you could have someone that's like speaking for you, that's talking for you. You are the one with the ideas. You're the one who's received the idea of turning this housing or something into something that's quite beneficial. Temperance, Four of Pentacles. But again, there's definitely another benefit to this Nine of Cups. Ten of Pentacles. There it is. Strength card. King of Swords. Six of Pentacles. Yeah. Oh no, you're receiving the assistance that you need or the guidance that you need along the way. It's just the more you start to think about something, the more you start to ponder and wonder, um, kind of like what could go wrong. It's like the um, less proactive you are in something. So there is someone here that's trying to assist you through, you know, this new endeavor of yours. All right. Or this idea. Yeah, we have the King of Cups showing up. Page of Rods, Ace of Swords, and the Three of Cups. So I'm getting something about a bodyguard or a defense system. Someone's willing to be security. All right, so you definitely need someone to, you need a security guard or you need someone to be a security or to set up a security system. Yeah, because you're dealing with vulnerable individuals. You're dealing with sensitive individuals here. But I'm getting something about beautiful women. Like, everyone's beautiful. They all look good, but they're vulnerable and sensitive. So you need some sort of protection to be set up or defense system here. Ten of coins. All right. The Wheel of Fortune. Hmm. So I'm getting something will take the help, reconciliation. Something will take the help of, the community, whatever this is. It's like, uh, past life relationship. All right, so some of you could be dealing with that past life relationship, religious factors, healing family issues, playfulness, heart to heart conversation. So this could be an idea that you're pitching to someone. So this could be someone that you're dating or someone that you're just about to meet. You're finding out that they're in real estate, or yeah, we have marriage, we have unexpected income, we have false person, and we have official person. Yeah, 16 thoughts. All right, so now there might need to be, there's a registry or someone's registered or there's something in a registry. There might be a cop that's assisting you through something, like an authoritative figure or someone who's in a law enforcement. So you might need a lawyer. So you might be dating a lawyer or someone who's in real estate. I'm getting real estate lawyer. All right. And you're having this conversation with someone, and then they're like, "Yeah, I could definitely assist you with that. I have a few connects, that I can get into contact with about this." All right. Yeah, we have the Six of Clubs, number 43, and we have the Queen of Diamonds, number 12. It could definitely be dealing with like children or young people or the vulnerable. Number Nine of Hearts, number 16. Wealth by inheritance. Yeah. Some of you, now this is going on stretch here, but some of you might be receiving inheritance or you might be connecting to someone who is wealthy, um, and they're giving you an allowance. Okay, you're receiving an allowance of some kind and you're trying to figure out, the best way to put this um, money to use. It's like to help benefit the community or to build up certain property or to invest in certain property to kind of like help aid um, women, children, or so someone has the connections here. But something definitely takes a lot of work and it's a process. But it seems as though you have, you know, others aiding you along the way that you can trust. But definitely, I'm getting something about a criminal record or what is it called? A like researching someone, looking them up, and looking at their record is quite important to know if they have a record or not, or if they've been charged with something like a felony or misdemeanor or anything. That's highly important to do. So maybe this is what this person is advising. All right. But yeah, I'll go ahead and leave it there. Cancerian, that's for some Cancerian out there. Definitely be looking out for other energy updates. Continue to like, comment, and share. I highly appreciate that. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family. Click on all notifications so that you don't miss further energy updates. I will be talking to some of you then, but until then, Cancerian, stay tuned.